Postman came with parcels again today. Was it you? Did you send me something? Whoever it is who sent me a parcel, and I thought it was Mr. J, and he says it's not him. He thought it was me that had ordered this. But whoever has bought me some kitchen funnels, thank you so much. Could you please email me, drop me a line, contact me via my Facebook page at By the Farm, BYTHER, By the Farm, and just let me know who you are so that I can say thank you properly. I'm thrilled to bits. So there we go. I was just saying in my vlog the other day when I was making some rosehip wine that 40 years of cooking and I've never had a kitchen funnel, and now I have a set of 4. And this is just lovely. So yeah, let me know who you are, please. It's a very nice thing to do. This week just seems to be lovely. We've had a non-stop kindness from people, and I do appreciate it. It's Saturday the 17th of June, and this morning I made a vlog, and I talked to you a bit about my dad and about a hat he used to wear and a sun hat that I'm now wearing, and then my phone died. So unfortunately that's all lost. Now, in a moment of not really thinking about what I was doing this morning, I opened the gate between the ducklings and the ducks so that ducklings had access, and oh boy did they take the opportunity. They raced through the gate and have been enjoying themselves in the main duck enclosure ever since, and tonight Mr. J and I have the task of trying to herd them, scoop them, do whatever it is that we need to do to get them back into their own enclosure so they can go into their own house tonight. And this little lot seem less than impressed at having had their space invaded. Over there is Mrs. Warren having a bit of a grump. Although she's joined the other 9, and they've all become a flock as one, almost. So you can see she's sitting by herself, but she is at least at this end of the enclosure, which is more than she has been. And there's the group of them. These are ducklings who've discovered the pond. Now, I'm trying to talk quietly because I'm actually hiding behind the duck house with the camera perched up on the roof, trying to film them, because if they realise I'm here, they'll just run off. They are still beyond timid. I don't want to frighten them off while they're having such a nice time.